Hi guys, it's Magic. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this very fun summer look. This makeup tutorial was very fun to do and also very easy. I only used 3 shadows from my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, which looks like this. The colors are so nice, so colorful, and so much fun to play with. So I had so much fun creating this look. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for videos every week. I do a lot of makeup and fashion related content, so please subscribe and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is prime my eyes. I'm going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. It's this pink shade in the middle, and put that all over my lid. I'm just going to pack it on. It is very nice and pigmented. Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you know it and you're okay. I am going to stop it maybe right here. Okay, so this is how the pink is looking like. I love this shade of pink. It's not too pink and the color is also very pigmented, which I like. I'm going to take this orange shade right here and I'm going to blend the pink with this orange shade. I think the next shade I'm going to use is the yellow shade. It's a very nice yellow and I think it's gonna go well with this look. I'm going to be using an eyeliner from the brand Pretty Vulgar. It looks like so. It is a black gel liner in the color 01. I am taking the tape off so I can add a wing. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some concealer under my eyes. Using the light concealer is going to make the colors pop under my eyes. I'm going to start with the pink shade first and just add that to my bottom lashes. And then below that, I'm going to add the orange. And now the yellow. Just enjoy, take my advice. I am going to add a black eyeliner to my waterline. It makes the eyes pop a little bit. I just have to finish my face. For lips, I'm going to start out with a lip liner. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys back on my next video. Bye.